Hello students, in this video we are going to look at an important aspect of polynomial, its graph and zeros. There are 2 points that we have to keep in our mind. Zeros are the values of x where the graph touches or crosses the x-axis. Here it is x-axis, the graph is touching the x-axis. Here this line is x-axis and the graph is crossing the x-axis. The shape of the graph at that point indicates the repetitivity or multiplicity of the zeros. That means how many times zeros are repeating in a polynomial. This is called the multiplicity of the zeros. Now let us have a overview of the different cases. Here it is graph. The graph either touches the x-axis in this way. This is touching. This is also touching the x-axis or crosses the x-axis. If it touches the x-axis, then here these zeros, this zero and this zero are repeated at least 2 times. If it crosses the x-axis, then there are 2 cases. It crosses as a straight line like this. The portion of the graph is as a straight line where it crosses the x-axis. And in this case, the multiplicity is 1. Now, if it crosses as making S shape like this, here it is x-axis and the graph is making like this shape. It is not crossing as a straight line, it is crossing like S. Here it is also crossing like S, and therefore here the multiplicity is 3. Here the multiplicity is also 3. Let us understand this concept with the help of some examples. Now the example figure number 1 is this. Here it is x is equal to 0 where the graph crosses the x-axis and the graph crosses the x-axis by making S shape, and therefore x is equal to 0 and there is a multiplicity of 3 of the zeros 0. That means here 0 is 0 and its multiplicity is 3. Now let us look at the second figure here. Here the graph is touching at x is equal to 0. Therefore, there is a 0 here and that 0 is 0. And this 0 occurs 2 times in the polynomial. Therefore, its repetitivity or multiplicity is 2. Now here it crosses the x-axis. Therefore, 1 is the 0 and its repetitivity or multiplicity is 1. Now let us look at the third figure here. Here the graph of the polynomial crosses the y-axis. So it is not a 0. It crosses the x-axis here. That means at 3, 0. Therefore, x is equal to 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. Now, the multiplicity of 3 is 1. Why? Because it crosses the x-axis as a straight line. Now here in the figure 4, the graph touches the x-axis at 1, 0 and therefore x is equal to 1 is a 0 of the polynomial. Now the repetitivity of 1 is 2. That means its multiplicity is 2. That means 1 is repeated 2 times in the polynomial. Now let us look at the fifth figure. Here the graph is crossing the x-axis in the form of s at the point -2, 0. Therefore, -2 is a 0 of the polynomial and its repetitivity is 3. That means -2 is repeated 3 times in the polynomial. Similarly, here the graph crosses the x-axis at 1, 0 and therefore x is equal to 1 is also a 0 of the polynomial. It crosses as a straight line, therefore its repetitivity is 1. Similarly, here the graph crosses the x-axis at 2, 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2 is a 0 of the polynomial and its repetitivity or multiplicity is 1. Therefore, how many zeros, how many multiplicities of zeros are there in this case? Here it is 3, here it is 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. That means this must be a graph of a polynomial of degree 5. Now here we see that this graph crosses the x-axis like a straight line at -3, 0 and therefore x is equal to -3 is a 0 of the polynomial and its multiplicity is 1. That means -3 occurs only 1 times in the polynomial. Now here the graph also touches the x-axis at -1, 0 and therefore x is equal to -1 is a 0 of the polynomial and its multiplicity is 2. That means x is equal to -1 is a 0 which occurs 2 times in the polynomial. Similarly, here the graph touches the x-axis at 2, 0 and therefore x is equal to 2 is a 0 with its multiplicity 2. Hence, we can easily determine the degree of the polynomial whose graph we are looking at by these methods. ओके, थैंक यू। दूसरे वीडियो के लिए